Everybody say, 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 how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude?
How can I express my gratitude
for all the many things,
you've
Father, you done for me, yeah.
Words are not enough to say thank you.
So Lord, you are,
Lord, you're my everything.
Say, I call you Jireh.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are.
You're my everything.
I call you Jireh.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are. You
You're
are.
my everything.
Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Oh, uya matinyana. Yeah, so uya.
Moya matinina. Moya matinina.
Yeah.
Moya matinina.
Oh, uya matinyana. Say, I call you Jireh. Say,
I call you
yeah.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. William Miguel, come here. 1, 2, 3.
Voy a mi cuarto que la mamá me viene sola.
Yeah.
My life is in your hands. I can live without you.
I can breathe without you, say.
I can breathe without you.
I can move without you, Lord.
I can move without you.
Hey, who am I without you?
Who am I without you?
Say, I can live without you,
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the intestate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is
127-61884.
Napai onyame adom mame ma wo akwaba embra Rainbow Radio akasafidi kesi yiso na enne eye yawoda sania yawoda biya meneo yetenase na yeye no asumdue kwanso onyame adom odiyasan abedue mu ha fache yese enne nso yemre no ayesa na ne atie bia yedi dwumadie no ebebre wo pepepepepepe menelo ya nyina menim ne yesiye aboa bi abutu aboa bi kwanso enso onyame adaroma odi yen awuram enti yenso yedi dwumadie no ebebre wo sane e wose yedi bre wo no pepepe kai hunu se eha eye Rainbow Radio International 92.4 na nyame adom enne anapai yedi Lawyer Charles atena afidi kesiye no so ebetwa nsemu ni nyina agudi amam emere ni ntino mame nsa emere yenko na yenchia Lawyer Charles na yemfa dwumadie ni nyina emfiri ho emere wo lawyer me pa chew me mawo achi emsama wo akwaba
Yo mejodo bishop mejodo
na
sayami
empombo kodie
yami adom pa
yeda oba ade ase eja ade asachi yen sania debia yedima yatiefuo no yenkohwe na yenhunu nia ehyihyem na yemfa entoatoa so ema atiefuo update any latest news na yentoa so ha medase
yo bishop am say nia ewo ho a yede ho a ye ho ene edi kan ni tia etiefo ne ahwefo enyinara nchaka se nso efi BWF Solicitors asoye ebre Rainbow Radio ejmafo enyinara ne management na by way of update just to reiterate say we widow and I say widower na sa wo koye extension application and na sa wo koye indefinite application empo naturalization application na ahokyere ewo ho a utumi sre aban se omboa wo na oma wo fee waiver no bi na utumi aye wo application. This is only for sa nkrofo no enye obi biara timo mensha no nso.
emo Sam Radio menim se waso daso a utie mi wo asopam lawyer nya so no podua mu a ekire se ye ekono na ye ekoyani nti ye ja afidie no e de ahye lawyer nsa na ekire se ententem ano ye ko ye nim lawyer sisi dwumade ni nyina gina so ye nko atiefo tio
You me that say prophet etiefo ne ahwefo and your topic no say mind the gap. Mind the gap. Identity and immigration and as a legal conversation, you say mind the gap. Not just a gap, no. Bibi ewo a so one you careful now o nine e question mu pe. Ati say fidie e you bia na wo name ebu. Na and then no gap ben you can was say 10 years UK immigration ban. 10 years UK immigration ban. Then in a gap wa ya pese ya tia asenye tumi mind ama ye ho ankwakere ye se petere na ye kotomu a. Na about the day na obi benya ban for 10 years. For 10 years. Na ye share UK immigration mrenu mu a ya chichiche mu bebre e fa bi no ye fa no part 9. Part 9 ho no so ye call paragraph no bi a special paragraph 9.7.111 obeka chro say yetumi refuse na se koba se ucha entro anase wodi document bi a ho enye no correct document bi a enye no correct eka wa application ho anase uka bibi wa application form no so a enye no correct yetumi refuse that yetumi means may. Inti a discretionary refusal may. Inti may be refused on false representation grounds. Inti part 9 no a grounds for refusal. But refusal ni bi it comes with a gap, which is the ban 10 years. And then mind the gap and how to avoid that 10 years immigration UK immigration ban. No. Now you share paragraph 9.7.2 one and one dear and yet may or say must. May and must no a brunikasa. Na may ne say ye bet to me. Must ne say SSA. Until say the must a refuse to dia not just say ye refuse to actual so aka ho na do to gap no and any 10 years ho no until say ye refuse to na ya actual say you've been refused under part 9 paragraph 9.7.2 na just say a mandatory refusal. And one which and tro no which I say would the ebadada enya nkrata na say kwaba ne sadia deception abemunity ye bano for 10 years. Na ye bano for 10 years in so ewo ho under paragraph 9.8.2.1.3 edekono or say refuse if you say which and tro na we be deceive na we nkrata na refuse na bano you stay away for 10 years and every or any future refusal will be refused automatically. Te say na nkomoyi ye hye so na ye hu kwan abefa so a ye nkoto sa gap no mu. Na ye bema producer ye radio or the guidance no beto ho amaye part 9 guidance no a gap no ye hu sa gap no wi a they will look at na esia ema ye hu say ampa possible say to meet gap no mu man ye na ye share how to mind the gap so that you don't fall into it. As immigration rules part 9 grounds for refusal to wish away September but your kosoro kakra mame 10th September updated date up. Oh yeah, here 10th September 2024 no more update omo de by 2016 into updating here fresh we call asia mpacho. Let's go down. Immigration rules part 9 grounds for refusal. So grounds for refusal a suitability requirement. Now, where the part 9 or this part applies, a person will not meet the suitability requirement if they fall for refusal under this part. It's not just say, oh yeah, future application. Now, and I say, oh yeah, current application. Now, part 9, abemudia, now automatically suitability akwaba. Suitability ni say, usubai enti yenji wu indi say, nya wo be hwehwe no. A person may also have their entry clearance or permission cancelled. We have cancellation. And that Nkomono is not about cancellation, it's about refusal. But mind the gap no means say empo ye hunu in term na ye refuse find it out to me cancel and money ye. So don't say na me de mabemu dada and the hunu there. How can they find out? You can find out under the relevant sections of the law. Then they can cancel it for you. Na me pacho yanko asie. So pacho yanko asie. Grounds for refusal, cancellation. So stay there for me. Show. Section 2, show. Thank you. Take us to, we are not looking at 9.1, 9.2 and all those things. Take us to 9.7, please. Okay. Into 9.7 and a crucial. Into false representation. Now, false representations in earlier on an application for entry clearance, permission to enter or permission to stay may be refused, where in relation to the application or in order to obtain document from the Secretary of State or from a third party provided in support of the application, false representation are made. So false representation here now we can form no so. Now we can form no so no. Normally your application, have you ever been refused before? Have you ever had immigration ban before? Have you been deported before? So our question, you have to say yes or no. So we can no, na say a yes and also a true false representation. Nti bibi a wobɛka wɔ form no so a ɛyɛ nokorɛ no ɛyɛ false representation. That will fall under 9.7.1. Yɛbɛhwɛ difference between 1 and 2 no. Nti I say whether or not you were aware, very important, whether or not to the applicant knowledge. Ayana dodo no abeka say oh minimo obi no ye mami oh minimo. I say whether or not you were aware. So minim is not an excuse. And it's a woman will be instruction. And you are so dear, so we make sure say now all yen amawono and I say now all boawono information we use to know a nia wo de man. So once na we yen so obeshe say nia wo kano sa netie. Relevant facts are not disclosed. So the same thing, false representation or not disclosing relevant fact. The relevant fact could be say you refuse to pay one kind of credit, you deport to pay one kind of credit. You ban or pay one kind of credit. You refuse in another country. Maybe say, have you ever been refused in any other country? One kind of credit on all those things. Yes or no? Waka no instead of yes, or waka yes instead of no. All those things. And you know, mention so. And it's a kobase a false representation, dear. Let's just say which antro a money, but we need end that. Say a crime and Rebecca said you have committed the act, but there's no intention to commit the act, and therefore, even though there's atos res, there's no mens rea. In yet any daho, and I would dear say any daho I would dear you be refuse by yan chuaso for 10 years. To one of the gap will be a new 7.2, that is 9.7.2. Application for entry clearance may be refused, must. Into Osha, first one or say may, the second one or say must. And see, so that make sure beginning no may and must. Difference in the saying may no ban. Must there will be a ban. So application for entry clearance must be refused where the decision maker can, and I say can prove that it is more likely than not that the applicant used deception in the application. Nti or say so we chantro na we need a down and I would chantro there. And I just say we share that na we chantro there as I see a chuma so. Na ye betro as soon as it to me prove it will say and no correct say we share that and na we cha entro say ubenya visa. Nti say case working to me improve there a bayadin but so to me catch say and na akoba there then it is up to you to disprove near all canon. Into gap no, and 9.7.2. Mind the gap. How to avoid 10-year UK immigration ban. 7.3, entry clearance by a person must be cancelled. So this is cancellation. Because the non is about refusal, no, but the same conversation will apply if it is later find out say which and trying to cancel no more ban no if with deception. And that's on cancel but mon ban no. We feel say one share na we yeah. The Kwan Benz neighbor say we share that. Kwan Benz neighbor say one share that. And the producer, Pacho Famiko, one of the decisions are Home Office, let's see if it is fully redacted. Yes, thank you very much, producer. So we have complied with Data Protection Regulation or Data Protection Act 2018 and GDPR regulations. We are complied. Every relevant personal data is redacted, and we are grateful to the owners of this document for allowing us to use for educational purposes. So this was received 7th of September 2024. And this was a visitor visa application. Your application for a visit visa to the United Kingdom has been refused. What this means for you? Reasons. Reasons. I have refused your application for a visitor visa because I am satisfied that Part V3, which is the visitor's visa part, and parts 9.7.1 and 9.7.2 of the immigration rules apply. V3 says, if there is a suitability issue, you must be refused for visitor's visa. 9.7.1 say and 2 say which and throw more our application more. Now what share that yambano. So one share that may yambano. Into way or share that and that's one share that. Or say 9.7 may be refused into a too long. A false document include a genuine document which has been altered. Into a bit more better document, a genuine, but akakam. And that's why some figures, and that's why some address, and that's why some BB was so for the purpose of doing what you want to do. Into a binino, as baby says, a false document, any document, yakakam, and that's a yasasam. Counterfeit document a fake, one that is completely false. Into it is created or made up just for that purpose. Genuine document which is being used by another imposter. Into a better say document but obi fufuro na o use amano ho. Let us say no so no. Genuine document which has been fraudulently obtained or issued. Document ni anokre na mbom kwan ya fast nya ya no enye no kware. And that's a kwan ya fast why ye create ma no enye no kware. A genuine document which contains falsified or counterfeit visa endorsement. Into way which may say wakope a Schengen visa, wakope African countries, South Africa now their visas abobo passport just to show say who migration experience or history. Who are you deceiving? A come up say you have used falsified or counterfeit document or visa endorsement with a view to gain immigration advantage, and therefore that is false document. It's a fake visa, so to speak. About passport to I'll say as part of your application, you have provided a bank statement from XYZ Limited. However, we have carried out checks, and the checks show that it is not true. Pachokofo Mayen. Is that the end? Producer, do we have a bit more? Thank you. Yes. So, thank you very much. And then it says, I'm satisfied that you have made false representations and submitted a false document in support of your application. The application is therefore refused under 9.7.1. Yenim said 9.7.1 and yet may refuse, and therefore may refuse because at this point, and yet entro back and yet in down, and I say intentional. Then they went further. I am satisfied that you have submitted a false document and you did so with an intention. So that's the word, intention to deceive. To the moment you use intention to deceive, that will fall under 9.7.2, and that means you must be refused. I have therefore found that you use deception in your application, and I am refusing your application under paragraph 9.7.2 of part 9 of the immigration rules. This means that any future entry clearance application may also be refused under the immigration rules for a period of up to 10 years, depending on the type of application. Also, depending on the type of application, doesn't mean say applications in Bioma Yabano cry, Ubetumi Aye, and this is just how they write it. But application be aniwa Yabano wa Ubetumi go through Amanaye. Is that the end? Okay. Next steps. In relation to this, there's no right of appeal. Of course, visitor visa application, no right of appeal, no right to administrative review. However, so nipa we, if you say no, nyomo cannot no cry, what we do is to challenge them on the point that they have made factual, inaccurate findings to ban this person. And that is the pointer, as I said, you noti. Then, producer, me pacho, fire call the other evidence, Right. So this one is 20th of May, 2024. And this was a skilled worker visa application made in 2023. This one, the person went for appeal. It wasn't an appeal, but admin review. An admin review resulting by remove mandatory ban keep may refuse 9.7.1. The first refuse ban The context is this. The context no any way, so I'll give the context. The way okay, skilled worker health and care visa application. When you're COS, if you company ni ho, the year or see or interview or any BBA answer on your ejumano, COS no man. Or your application no, and case worker no can say COS no a fake because obi you super. You say you share false documentation definition or say one of them and the D no, or say the document may be genuine, but it has already been used by somebody. And even though COS no a genuine with number no correct, but na obi you super into which course COS no so a nipa mienu and no use with the same COS number. Into omo can say because ono over the second time no dear, and I say oh use the second time no dear, he is likely to be the person no or ye fake no or imposter no. Santi omo refuse no omo ban no under 9.7.2. No, they call appeal, admin review. No, they call admin review ni nyina say yes, Matthias here say we say ade and papa. Means minim hoshi. How can I attend interview? How can I go through all the processes? Na yadi ade ba mami. Na obeka say e fake until wa ban me. Now how will I know? Say employer no ne ode mami no no kre anase no kre. Minye ejuma wo home office. Ti meye de no mehu. Nti no kre say empo wo say ade no fake a wontumi nka say e ni da ho anase margin da ho na me de ye ya na say me sheda na me ye. Nti wontumi enyusu must. You must rather consider the decision. So we consider the decision, they changed it from must to may. So they kept the refusal, remove ban a man. Let's see what they said. Producer, scroll down, please. Right. Reason for decision. Your application has been refused for the following reasons. You apply for entry clearance as a skilled brother. You've been refused under 2.1. 2.1 says the applicant must not fall for refusal. So if you fall for refusal under Part 9, your application will be refused. In the assessment of your visa application, I have considered it under 9.7.1, and therefore I have refused your application. Now, I say, in support of your application, you have submitted a certificate of sponsorship number, so and so. However, checks made by us show that the COS was not correct or does not exist. As a falsified or non-genuine document has been submitted in relation to your application, it is refused under 9.7.1. In support of the challenge against the original refusal, you provided communications between you and the employer supporting regarding the employment. You also provided interview invitation. However, the COS itself you provided has been checked using the Home Office data system, and the result has been confirmed that the document is not authentic. It's not authentic means that COS no either say number no correct na mbom obi din na omutu share mu e obi dia na omosesa na omudi obi din e share mu. How did they do it? Obi tumi convert document from PDF to Word na wasesa nyoma wom na we use. They know all these things. Tibi na kwesi here. I am therefore satisfied that you have submitted a false document in support of application for entry clearance, and this is whether or not you knew about it and whether or not it is relevant to the application. And in order to obtain document from the Secretary of State, which is a visa, I therefore refuse the application under 2.1, which is grounds for refusal. But you go down. That's it. So you see, said nipa way, originally there was 9.7.2 or call admin review we 9.7.2. The reason is say and ni evidence ni argument or the buy ti assess say no correct say one shada na oyeye nimbum no correct say document and correct. So dia he will be refused under May and not must. So we ban if you so mo keep simple refusal. What is the difference? Simple refusal, there's no gap. You can always apply again. But mandatory refusal or must refusal, that is a gap. And so there will be a ban which you have to bear for 10 years before you can do anything about it. Bishop, with the manu besi ha na metie bi na maka foforo.
Amo lawyer yeda wase piao adwuma no na waye no indeed enne ye hwe ekwanya obefa so a obe avoid 10 years immigration ban. Me nim say ebi awo enya to ana say afi ne beto nti ma me bisa lawyer ma wo say enya to a is there a way out? Ebia na we nim some information nyina ene baaye nti ebia enya to is there a way out? And I say, I was so trained. Now we track 10 years in the way. And sana, what the application for akotum lawyer. Yanre, na say, anya toa. Is there any alternative? Is there any escape? And I say, anya too many dear. I was a dem na yediwe.
Yo, me that's bebre. Bishop, so before I ever answer, what do you do next? Let me say, how do you avoid it first?
Okay.
And how to avoid in say, Mrano or say the document is not genuine, or the document is genuine but it is not yours. Until the kind mama you making sure say document be a ye use a support application idea yen no crest ampa because nipa no use ade no wo yen yedin mu nti so obi use ade wo wudin mu a say we ya aware say obi sa permission when be sa permission no o use wo wudin mu once a wudin da so nko ade I just say why sign ni bibi nti say we ya aware we take note That's number one. Number two, the best answer say obi application amawa so you are downfall so you unia so you wine or you mawi a ka tell some patrol before I will be no na me hwemu kakra why oka say oni ebre a wo de betwen wo a ka say you end your mate na wa couple be fufuro no mboa wo because o de beko na mistake bebem na be punish wo de then what's the essence of so be boa wo ti mo man hye eno so enso nti uba BWF Solicitors say ya we application no a ya de ma wo say hwem wo hwemu a wi a na ye bi so say we ni bibia ho obaka say oh we manage ho ba ha de manage ho ha manage ho na wa correct ni nyina na ya sesa ni nyina mu kama ya say de ama obi na say afide we manage ho also oh afide manage ho pa na ya say ka say hwemu for the last time because ekwa no return. No, why should move for the first time? No, I say, lawyer, I approve. Na wait here, na echo. You are confident, and everybody is happy. Enti mama yenshe and so.
Lawyer, Jina ho meba. Jina ho. Meba cho mema watching. Emo akwa ba eba jumadi so.
Eba cho mema oswa lawyer na madam Bishop ne lawyer te da ne den na munya me ede mayen.
Ohima wadaro.
Meba chwe de asam kakra bi na mpese nka me bika lawyer kakra na yeye me amini abema na obewura mu ne ho enye ena one broni fita bi akwanyem na say if for social service for ababroni fita no say na abusive marriage mu no free mu enti no mo hwehwe emini abema no a one ne nyem no na oma ene na di nkomo ehun se broni no be safe around him na ono so oni eniema ne ho nye nti I don't know ye ni nte bia broni no minya be mani ko social services for no ene omo ko kasa ana say ontina ne be bi boko abra on ko ho nti na maja anope mi se me friend lawyer na me bita no de yenye
you lawyer wadaro ma senka social service for the omunye immigration so no yenhwe ne yede be yenu bai
Yo Bishop
yes sir
me pacho we de mesra yenu bai say me you say confirmation is the mother into me confirmation on your kind no when see the last part no so me pacho bebre.
Okay, mami team ose ni nua be ma bi abakurum ha na ni nua be ma na no honye se wadware onware no de mitimi nkire ndi ose no honye ena eja wakoti ahwe bruni ba bi dom ena oni bruni ba no akonyinsen bruni ba na fayefo no ama no na bruni ba no social service for enimu say na nikuna first wo ware no eye abusive marriage inti oba no efrimu eno no wa nkire mu say oba no na eye abusive anase be man na wo ware no na eye abusive but say ya oba na anyem no social service for pese omuhu be ma one na anyem na omne na di nkomo aka kire no condition ni sania eniamate na ofi say obetimi ni oba no atena ene enu ne problem so oni oba no ntimi ntena menim whatness the social service want to say enti obisa say ni nua no onko anim wo mra ne niema anyi ana say wonpe ne ba bi ntena na ne wonpe so omye no omonye
Yo me that's bebre. This is a test case and comma obia now emisa yenien obai say ni nua no ni broni no oye obi a okuta asetna afebo ana say
ha broni fita
once when you abra fifita ina no okuta bibi
yeah
I just want the immigration bit good into okuta ne indefinite ana say British citizenship good emra say
British citizenship
good Embrace under Section 1 of the British Nationality Act 1981 no akwala na we pie relationship no and I said maame na wo no oye British akwala because maame no British. The akwala no ye British automatically. Now papa no British, papa no illegal in order to UK or memu. But wawo ne buy British. Maame no titu but I say
onyanwe maame ne nyim
I feel now obewo okay what ye won by say ya me be so no asunjim nti ye when it also say obenya eba oya British akwala nti say papa no betumi prove say ne bani a I just say right from the beginning no we show up say ne ba no what am I saying ya me can say aso okọ na omode ne trase enye so okọ ye no say beka say na wokra woni nkrata nti adana woni nkrata na woni obi akwanyem emre bia ne ho acha say woni nkrata ntumi
oni obi di nyim
nti when you chemistry we biology nti kwan ewo ho now what is going to happen is say omo person omo say sebio bibi baha akwala no anasa papa we betumi aboa maame no na akwala no yawo asumdwi mu ne ade say papa no tumi show say regardless of the circumstance no even call our family our support no na kakra sika kakra ye ba boa akwala no ono ankasa so wo mmere o de obekwa kofa maame no de na akọ GP appointment na ade obe support no obekọ fie ho eko make sure say wa tidy up na maame no tumi arrest ajojo no ho na akwala no so ahome a ewo ye funu mu a that is what they want to know. One person who say my papa no ne background ne ade no enye bibia ebe affect safeguarding of akwala no a ye ba wo no ene maame no so mutumi tiki ni nyina na omunya confirmation ni dia case closed na ebe sini say ye wo akwala no a papa no begina ne pa no so age ne 2.5 because he would then be a qualifying parent owo akwala or your qualifying child.
Gotcha. Madam was a pan, I mean, lawyer, Nick Bishop said, then I'm more my.
yeda say odo enkosi abuo nti ena himfie si ho eno nso nti na lawyer betena ha enti ye make sure say the information be ma obi asane atie enti anopai wonso obetumi aba line no so na ye ni lawyer adi nkomo from BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. Ene anopai de ye ni lawyer Charles ena agi akonwa kese na yehuru atena so sisi usipensi so na ne nsemo de bre na mudu lawyer obi bisa se na ne yere anya spouse visa odi beba UK na opesu ohun say all travel to Ghana na wasan aba UK no opesu okọ na okofa ne yere no eba na oduru ha omema one ne yere no I go through immigration and I say saying ena ebeye opeso ye sure and sana wako enti if there is any advice to give her na odi amano na ya taking from her me pacho jina suma me mame ana eja say lawyer yi asem we ya no wi a na me de wo atos why jina suma me lawyer wadaroma
Yo Bishop I'm say Eunice onko wo so a kama bisa no asamba akumienu bi na wa aboa yan na ya aboa no na ewo me say
me pacho ubisa na or the message ne beba me say otie ba wo mpese wo frɛ or the message ene bae
yo na ewo me say why as the spouse na onya visa no ono e no sponsor no na sa wo na wo sponsor no dia na just say wo asetena e wo UK o memu ada say wo indefinite ana say wo kuta we uni pre-settled and as we ukuta British citizenship na wo de akofa wo yere eba yes it is akofa no and so no abeba obedu airport wa ye betumi bisa say be man ya we say oba na ade no so ma frɛ wo na wa confirm and so wo kwehia no na wo na ba fie so wo kɔ na wo kofa oba no na mu nyina mu ba mu bedu airport dia agwa ete say wo nkwa na wetu kwan na we bedu UK. Now we'll fee. There's no way on may BB unless say BB or hoa yenim. So BB wa yenim dia, then that will help us to give you much further explanation. But sana BB ani what there, and I don't see any problem. Just say who feel say nkomo bi wo ha pese ye dia friend number no ye wie program no a na ye hunu ye mwa o.
Emo yeda ase papa. Me pa cho me ma wachi emo akwaba eba dwumadi so.
Me ma wachi prophet.
Ohene
Me ma wachi lawyer Asman so. O the prophet ma sem bisa me de na ma no pay ye tiawa. Etwa sum wo radio so. Say 10-year route no so 2.5 na. Let's say ahoden in terms of sikasem so obetime tua NHS ene ho kana obetime apply for 5 years instead of 2.5 no na me mai kakra na kakra na
me ba jo gina ho asema wo kan wo ye sure ana say wantimu ye na bibi bata ho
antimu ye na ntina me pe enkimu no se eye no kra me tie finfini baabi ba me manim ntina me pe se me ye sure se bibi sa ti sa na
okay ene mayema lawyer nyi no because adisua yesua no afidi so no conditions bi ene sesa nioma bi enti yenkohwe lawyer se o sa 2.5 no so dia na yembisa lawyer say at the point no we see can betimi switch at any time lawyer wadaroma
Yo me nya me pa church saying
me adom boko lawyer
me pa cho obetumi bisa questions afa wade no ho
pa cho an
me pa cho wade no 2.5 no bia na me pa cho what the 10 years no so na omode ma under 10 years no
pa cho an
na me pa cho wogina wo baso na wunyaaye wogina wo yero so na wunyaaye ana wogina long stay so na wunyaaye
pa cho me ba
na akwala no woni na te
me pa cho da bi ono ma me net
yo and you obetumi aswitch akọ 5 years so mana yeye senia obi ka kire wo no basa woni o ma me ne akwala na te dia wontumi nswitch mani yeye o mesan de 10 wa ama wo o mo de obetu 10 so saa na me pacho so obeswitch o wontumi switch o no me mi so asam foforo wo call 2.5 no so how many years ni
me 5 years me 5 years that's June 2025
nti na chere say ye hwemu a wo obeye 8 months bi eda wanim mebo a
me tachai
right se wutu anamon sa wo switch within sa 8 months no a wo be save sa 8 months no basa wo twen na 2.5 no eso a na we twa 5 years dada mebo a
tachai
wo twa 5 years a na wo switch cry ye de wo besan a start 2.5 under 5 years nti wo be wie ni nyina na we twa 5 years egu wasa be start 5 years what's the point and also wo akọchiro exams Obaka show 29,000 and then yakeka ka ho. So there's no point. It's not just say obetua fee no. Nembom ube meet all the requirements apart from say wo akwala wugina no so no. Enti na nkrofo ekọ 10 year no so. Nti sa wo hwa na nyomensi sisu ma wa na wo time no akọnanim bebre na there's no point there. Tina bus no mu and stop because I can 2 stops per. I don't know where stop no akọ we chisa ko factory.
Mate.
Mate basa ne ba unkusi wai.
Mate ujiji mwana si. Meda sedwa. Kasiri.
Inia nyamutrena basa ne ba unkusi wai.
Tumembi edmonti ana na si last stop.
Eno ano oprepro na unkusi a. Josa twen another bus. Emra na tamu na kwena nim bibiri. Wai.
But that's a prophet in lawyer.
Yeah, I mean, and lawyers, you know, I can say. Lawyers, Tinavasi Musa. Emo, me pacho, what would you not mean as mami? Lawyer, meaning I know the question or the was Sunday a year about saying there is nothing behind lawyer. Just to know if it is allowed for both to go through immigration control for her interview as a British citizen, because me a person who say one say we reporter say yeah you kita British passport no yeah do you different na mo kita Ghana passport no almost do you different to see division abam enti obi say on mema na kwan say do kita British passport ba opese one ne yere e cross enti obedi ne yere chi no akofa bancha ba na side ho na wagya ipuna no ha eno na opese oye sure say obetimi aye ne saa so obetimi aye ne saa dia na kire se no ano case die.
Bishop, obetumi aye ne
Yes,
saa
sir.
of course say on call fast track.
Yeah, say no na me kan say we die when I was saying wo mpentem oni wo yire be kodia enye problem say ho no ye be check no apie ba wo prove a kire mo say me ne me yire ne nam eninti no we are okay. Immigration no behwem no go through why menua eno na lawyer aka no me pa cho me ma wachi emo wakwa ba e ba dwumadi so
Me just Bishop na lawyer me tell me no me do pa. And already more three person be my brother or the friend first contact in the buy na on man 2 years but na you this time be December but employer not man 2 years or money issue into opportunity one of the best time I will apply service and be December na say we have proof income na so be sure proof income any document you know so they can with this time.
me ba cho lawyer what in nka
Pacho Martin and
ana mi si na sem no so ma
they be na me channel alert from you.
okay wada roman
Yo, that's it. You know, Pacho owe fidye so.
so ojina so life kura
Kojo eti saying
You have been there for
yo, mama Okojo ya kwa na wa frame na ka tell say me din ye say why.
okay.
Yo. Yeah. Me Pacho ne woman say we see na ade no ebeso December 2024 sir.
I in December 2024, but the prior national new COS.
Matias here, but me person me TB and don't worry. Now then na employer na man COS early sir, intentem sir.
In prior very efficient.
Oh, now COS no the man be with the new one ko usually 3 months. On NSS on the deadline.
On one candidate na nchen.
About what COS no but no problem. Into the woman say once an employer na renew a man on the dear, obetumi aye application to continue because first one no visa no be wu so say oje foforo ba na me adom employer na man renewal in advance. Enti you make can say nka you September mu October November obetumi dey den atum and also October next month obetumi dey atum. Nyoma ben obehia nyoma or use for the first time or the year, you know. Now, this time over UK. Okay. Once over UK, the Dano. Me pacho what's now UK, how many? I'm gonna tell you, he's been around for more than 12 months from what you are saying. And
almost 2 years.
He also be prove maintenance. Say employer now confirming, unconfirming. No. And rather says, what's now UK for 12 months? There now a bank account where you don't have to prove maintenance. They assume say ubetumi ahwe ho. Nti anu no ye one. Now as employer no confirm so maintenance is guaranteed in so that is even better. Nti when here so be show maintenance. The next thing is say DBS. Even though I DBS now you need man no okoya application for fresh so or the DBS eba. or the English by the last time, not the application. So maybe some say the last time we prove English and now what they can yes, now what they account. Obey to me so uncle English nibi and yet with the infant say or training course. No acquire English nibi at the atoso, speaking, listening, reading and writing at the atoso, comma. Now or the application I can see US no now or the call. Of course, me jidi say uncle ye bibia be affected no suitability say okoye ni DBS no a say bibia da na kwemu dia oye okay nti ena say brebe so na obeye application to extend the leave ohiambo a obetumi afre e abo
You that's the day now. Where I already one question back. Or your graduate here over a year and so on. Obviously, you graduate certificate.
that's even better. Good. Or you graduate when UK and I say on mindful for us.
Oh, one process.
We say on mindful for us. On mindful for us so dear just or ye bibia your friend actors. Actors near UK aban edwuma eku a omobaje ne abrochire certificate no ma hwehwe mu no ma ka say wa abrochire certificate no is equivalent to UK certificate no ma confirm ama no say and the ehia so betro English no say no ye de baaye no ne hwe so eno bi no de baaye me boa
ano na bi bo ne yiri nyina ono ne yiri
that's
nyina
right so the actors ni bi na or your actors no de baaye na so ye IELTS
no ni je wan ba mi to
it's an say English no de baaye no so why English ni bi aba because bi mu a I mean English or the aba no there so or your IELTS no de baaye fine or your actors so are fine why so that shouldn't be a problem impo if you also bet your exams na yedin why it's only problem
okay it's the same thing ono ne yiri nso the same thing document you prove here now company na kan the same thing well
and you know of course some of the marriage certificate na there ebe kan ho senior omoye no kane no
okay now with the in this case in account no the calculate number na say it doesn't matter or show proof in account yeah bank account
oh I'm running says what's na chrome 12 months you don't have to show maintenance and as an employer no so take it so all ban employer no take it say maintenance is covered me boa
yeah
it is employer not take it more then both of them are covered why
okay even that if I more be another that is omla full baby na until
if I try that
eno anu menua why nyina eno anu why nyina nka hello me pacho me ma wachi ema wakwa aba ebadwumade so
Pacho me so Bishop Michel lawyer master.
o hene wadaroma lawyer 8 you
Okay, wait a number person Mr. Lawrence make cousin be or by masters or by masters. You know, na one call graduate visa one apply for no because on your sponsorship for Juma it's your call or call for Juma no. But 3 months or less than 2.5 3 months into Juma no anyhow hours anyhow I pasabe no business so wait me call back to apply for graduate visa and after yet too late and then I'm just that's all.
Lawyer wadaroma
yo me pacho graduate visa no so onye yet onye bi kra and why be paying
that be on year cra or we no one apply cra we no na onya
Right.
COS for Juma to call for Juma instead.
okay this is the position of the law Imran says so we suku a utumi je 2 years editing I have work experience in this and Imran no nka say ese say we gini immediately or see we betumi age and one say wo visa we betumi dey switch akọ ehọ no in this onji bi da no we decide so person okwaji bi a I don't think the law will hold against him so then I want imagine in term
Okay, so long as the visa ni we no you're fine basically.
what I'm saying is that there's nothing in the law which says say bra and then another bra or china. Into no, it decided say or back a china, yes,
But I
like future, or not then later no, but no. So that's fine. That's what I'm saying. So it's a matter of or an application.
okay.
It can even address that point as part of the covering letter, but they can't hold it against him.
Okay. Me that's it. That's the last one.
I'm say what in your lawyer say
Matthias 100%.
no expiring dates.
Matthias,
Yeah, nyame shraw.
that's it.
You. Nyame kan ho. Adefo ene anopai yene lawyer Charles ena atenase from BWF Solicitors. Sania ya wada bia ye de brewo no ene ya hwie nsuo no agu fom papa fom afọ atechenti bra na fa wonan beta mu pam na yenko. Lawyer me pacho Pamela beba nda na.
Me pacho o cover Pamela.
Oh, okay, all right. Me that's
Yeah,
it.
me pacho Bishop Pacho obi bisa studio number no nti obebo so ama
no na nka me boy. Me boss quick kra. Studio number no 0208 133 4646. Me pacho Mr. Adaye Fatu Sumami 0208 133 4646 and that's 0208 133 1134 0208 133 1134 and your WhatsApp line no 0777 1950989 0777 1950989 me pacho me mawachi ema wakwaba ebagmadizo
For me chechamo.
nana yejoso
Na me person me busa lawyer quickly. Let me say busa na batonya answer.
okay
You refuse to be under or you visiting base or apply now you refusing under 9.7.72 no. Now you're banning for 10 years. They're not waiting here.
Nature say question ni dem abisa ma opa nti na o twen
But my kinds are mad.
me bisa ya no say akwai wa bisa ma asem lawyer be you no na lawyer kire say or try to open up the prevention no ansana wabaho enti wudi aba ide yem fama lawyer na untie mu ma lawyer wadaro ma
yo that's a bebre. To answer question, you better answer in perspective. That will apply to every bit like that because you were back one or changing from 2 back to 1. And the police and me patch of skilled worker admin review response no to Sumaye. That will apply also to visitors. Right. And the all train we here for skilled worker, but it will apply. Even though visitors visa you need right of admin review, you have to go straight to PAP or pre-action protocol to make a challenge. But won't me and fill admin review form until and so. The anyway or admin review, challenge at the end. Police and patrol decision response no down. Okay, okay, yes, response. Reasons nipa we need na your COS. Nti ya fan say nipa we India no be similar to ye nuen a ye refuse visitors visa yi. Ti ye beko anonsu be ye we a. But you go down for me the response. Down. I therefore in support of your challenge. Okay. In support of your challenge against the original refusal, you provided communication between yourself and the proposed sponsor. Nti you say, the COS na you fake. That means ejuma no see fake. And I say, no, ejuma no fake. Look, evidence actually say ejuma no ye family ni. No, the communication between the employer and himself or herself at the core, including interview invitation, because as a interview. Invitation with the ban or the can who call ye. You see, be emails now or work between them, no WhatsApp chat between them, or me na can or the call ye. No, we can say, what the nina aba, but COS ni a fake. Sanity dear, your best refusal, your best sign refusal from 9.7.2 to 9.7.1. Nti saa nipa wei or the evidence extra say no mo kan no enya no kre e de baaye e no mo cha say we twa ntro cause US ni fake na mbom enya say o share da nti say we be refuse no with intention no you be refuse no say one share da nti no omo sesa no from mandatory to discretionary no. Now yenu ampacho wo ho
Me wa hapa biti.
what you had na say.
Matthew pa.
Now stay there. Producer, yonko refusal visitor visa no a buy no. Yede resource na yede buy no. Visitor visa refusal. Okay, so go to where there's decision. Okay. So the decision, we have refused you under 9.7.1 because you who say we sue fake document by one shedder. We have also refused you under 9.7.2 because you who say we you sue fake document we share that. We share that no na aya asam no. Mpacho ko ase ho emame. Nti ujina no ho ase false document genuine which has been altered. Nti ase nipa no etumi prove say I didn't get genuine and it was not altered. Number 2, I see counterfeit document, completely false. So no more card there. I said nipa to me prove say and your counterfeit and your original from the original source. Then I would baba with the letter from them to confirm say and your more no issue here na bank statement or the bank account exists and everything in there correct. It's a letter from that source. A genuine document which is being used by imposter. Just say, yeah, intuition. Until say which room say, yeah, intuition. Na letter every bank ho, and I say every embassy ho, and I say every baby bia e buy no, and ni e say no correct. Na many a demand me, and na me use no caneno, and ni. A genuine document which has been fraudulently obtained. Say, Obina or creature at the animal again, say, yes, here. For evidence a letter of verification or confirmation bra normal ebeti adanse say e no kre say baby o mo say o mo hwehwe information no a o mo hu say e fake no saafo no a e the letter abese e no kre say e fake na chesa wo de wo gina mfimfin no o mo ankasa mfan wi o mo. A genuine document which contains falsified or counterfeit visa document where you be a year refuse no because of the visa I want a passport to mu e de koya omuhu say service no kra no a I want a passport to say South Africa o say Togo say here a fake visa and that's a stamp just to deceive. Into when I say which say so you go to the source now where the letter if you ho in the signing power you say the bank statement from this bank we have checked and we realize say any ho and no correct into we deceive yen na mpacho kwase ho and therefore producer, please go down a little. Stay there. I am satisfied that you have submitted false document and you did so with the intention to deceive. A hano and a main issue. Say, almost say a fake, but you didn't have the intention to deceive there. That's fine. But some say a fake, but you had the intention to deceive. Your job is to disprove. Say you didn't intend to deceive. Why did you not intend to deceive? A mix up from sa bank no and I say baby the document no e ma wo no until your mistake. So the letter but say we are sorry there was a mix up and therefore na omo apologize there na chere say no cre say wo de woni mu ho hwe. Wadamfo bi na your application no na okotro no even though you refuse to pay. Instead so can yes no can no. E ba ne saying wadamfo no na even though mrane say whether with your knowledge or without your knowledge, the question is, did you do this to deceive? So being no mistake there, then it's possible say you don't have the intention to deceive. And therefore, you put in argument. Say, hang on, how will I do this? Even and somebody helping me, by mistake. So how will I do it to deceive? And you're possible. Now, Thomas Sumua or Matthias here. Inti other say what the representation, explanation or argument beko. And also say what the representation argument with evidence from the source no identify now almost the anya no kre no to confirm say munhye omo na omo can say aya no kre and they insist say aya no kre e ho na minya identify ye nti saa de a me de minim na omo kan no ho hwe then wenya wuti edidim. So this is how you get around it, but you have to make legal argument and support it with the evidence no mepacho aboa
Mati honasi pa, but wa ujitum se wo de niema enye ne koye na wa dia tuma pe wo huni abeya. It's so 10 years no. Na so be seen a different application. And as everyone say be a cry, be a when your baby a person ware no a. Obetimi aye. And I say ya 10 years no. No.
Mati say back to the resource. Producer, take us to the visitor's visa decision. Why? My that will answer the question for our brother. Mepacho wo.
Achemo wapa.
Now, but who screen is so? Producer, go up. Last part, no. Decision no last paragraph no. This means so go up so that the person can see. Up. Oh, I don't know. I'm saying up no. So that's the down. So I'm getting the up and down mixed up. Yeah, that side. This means Mpacho
So hapa.
who board in the so.
Me from
Oh, okay. That's fine. Let me read him out.
Yeah.
Let me read him out. Bishop, Mepacho, let me read him out. Okay, this means that any future entry clearance application may also be refused under the immigration rules for a period of 10 years, depending on the type of application. Even though Omaka say, but there's no way Omaka say it's a different application. Santi, when chat 10 years no crowd, they will refer you. Because you share where you know suitability rules to know. Grounds no share 9.8.1 no Obaka trust say any future application will be refused because you have previously been banned under 9.7.2. Oman chirimu wa hadie, but it is something they will take into account, and therefore it's difficult. So Obaka say ya ban no nso ye. Now at this time there a different application enti ya de bemao. You may make an application and hope is said on who BB, but every application is decided on merit. I cannot sit here to say it is 100% assured say we application for ubenya because the law doesn't allow. However, case workers sometimes do things differently, and so it depends. Pacho Ebwao.
Matias pa. Matias, me that's a lawyer.
Mr. Medasi.
That's pa. Bye.
Bye. Prophet. Prophet sound. Prophet sound.
Me pacho, me mawachi, emo wakwaba. Hello.
Hello, Bishop.
Yes, me pacho, me mawachi, emo wakwaba.
Bishop, me pacho me josi.
Mbo ohene. Yanko yanim.
Yo, Bishop, pacho we de edamasemi emu de boayen na. The same is a simple question bako na lawyer boayen. Say, here me wo mu hana me ni niama me de nsahe ne ba da ewu be afini echi kran e ko mfini na nsa eno sa no emo bi on no BWF meeting ja boa me amama regularize na personal.
Lawyer, wadaroma, sisi wabe ubi uti kurumu ha wini hwi. Oba ye awu kura kojuto nti edian na yebetimi ayaboa no.
Yo me da se bebre. Yenwi bebi a beboa no Appendix FM to the immigration rules. Ehɔ no ɔse sɛ wo UK omemu empo wuni nkrata na wawo na wo ba no British akwala anase akwala okuta pre-settled anase akwala okuta settled anase akwala EU ni mpo a ubetumi gina sa akwala no so na waji 2.5 but esese wo kyerɛ mu sɛ woboa ma yɛhwɛ akwala no santi sa wantena krom ha ɛbɛha akwala no ne nyini ne ne kanko. That is called direct access. Yes, so a wo krom ha na uni nkrata ba no nkyerɛ sɛ enware nyame adom wa ware wo yere British ni a ubetumi egina wo yere na opese oje wa atena mu no so onu ane sɛ bi on bɛka sɛ munko fie na munko to ama aware ɛso ɛwɔ hɔ te 50-50 basa wo yere wa akwala dia ubetumi egina wo yere ne ba no so ama na yiyi step child no me da se.
Menua what you say?
Mpacho Matias na mpacho nye kulu akakra. Mekreo nti aware no etira no yes say aware no en class ma aware no bi ho bi o matwam nya de mpacho no ho asem tete. E na say se o ware bo mo hani na eno no o say 50-50 no that means say o be ko edawere no ho ana say ye ka te bi a mungu fin ko aware na be ko edawere no ana say only the best. And I'm part of last one and the best now on the say. Say, what's your bano? If you are places that are president, you will be okay. Now, Ukran Kala, Okalanzu from Yama. I don't know how long in my woman. Say, you are one man show, and it's a bit made in action, and I will be there.
Lawyer Wadaruma.
Yeah, Bishop Pachotin nka.
Meto nka.
Good. Yo, I'm say yen no bi say you say 50-50 into fa wo yere edi wechi kofi a ekwane sen. Omo hwe nkrata a wo hia ene odo a wo ne wo yere mo wo ema mo ho. Ena omo ka say odo na mo wo ma mo ho as two adults no. Sa odo no doesn't hate any land. Asasi bia mo betumi atena so adom ho. Abom bra. Nti se wo na yesi ye ma wo ekwan ma wo ntena UK a wo yere no de yentumi ensi no kwan basa wo yere no do wo de a undi odo akiri enkopie wo man mu na mo kwatena wo ho. That is why sa adult mienu eye 50-50 no. Se akwala wo mu a akwala no nti you be consider na ya ma 2.5. Most of them akwala wo mu a ye de ma won. And no dear I can assure you says akwala wo mu a say akwala ye wo stepchild and say akwala no ye wa wo ba and dear I can assure you say you have about 90% chance say bibia wo kan bia ye no kre na bibia ni mu dia say ebe ye and na wo bi say mo ware a mo ba ware e wo he omanya wo mu no aware embra na obafa so aware because say woni nkrata no nti wontumi enware e wo UK mani nye yie even though oba no betumi aware wo UK no wontumi nware wo UK mani nye yie nti mobato nkra akọ me sure say wo ye Ghana ni say wo ye Ghana ni dia wo de nkra bekọ efie ebusuafo begina mu aye bibia say because aware de ebusua na agisi ho nti under Ghanaian customary marriage law no o say ebusuafo no beje aware no na mu hwie a na mo pa mako aban mu akọ register nti ni nyina no ubetumi aye through ebusuafo no na o mo di certificate no abrel eba na wo de akọ Ghana embassy no o mo so de o mo nsa ahya ase ama okrata kama before e baba no with the letter no and as a certificate ebe Ministry of Foreign Affairs with the certificate ebe Judicial Service na mo so ama letter na ebusuafo na mo ejina mu represent mu agya aware no si ho no omo court akosoe IS no statutory declaration say won ni ebusuafo a omo gina mu ma wo ne wo yere a aware eba so wunya eno a sa marriage certificate no edimu pacho eboawo
Mpacho amate na siasi. Na mpacho se card bi na ko kan. Eno no mo worry and so any dia mo se ho kaka and so possible.
Okay, and you durable partner. Durable partner no emra no yasesa no under paragraph 6.1. Or say someone should show but you back from how many years ni? What's it 4 years won?
Pacho me 20 years. Pacho 20 years.
If you mean ni echire, let us say wotumi di adanse na wo evidence say wo ne wo mpena no mahye ho for 2 years there. Ubetumi agina wo mpena no so aye application without marriage certificate. Because mrano eji marriage certificate and now say durable relationship. You don't have to show say matna boom for 2 years, but you have to show say match mpena for 2 years.
Oh, okay. That.
And no, wait try. Now, lawyer, obi the message back on Abaha say if or say what if I am refused under paragraph V 4.2A and C as a visitor, and also obey anything. But I think so once the documents is false, it goes the same way as in your lawyer working.
Well, obi uma you be refuse no, but no can say we don't believe it's a okwa obeba. And yes, we chantro e baby, and that's we the fake document. No, we believe say okwa why you wild could do a ma senior you who are gay. Omu nshia woda, but omu sha document no nyama wo de kwa ya no a. Bibi anywhere kire say bibi koso seriously ema wo oman a wo mu no mu. Santi wokwa be possible say womba your friend returnability. So one pass returnability no a assessment test no a you be refuse so. And no enya ban a normal refusal. O try be mu a na onyama asesa e bia e be ye. Nti so man can say 9.7.1 and I say 9.7.2, especially 9.7.2 ni nko ade a you are okay. Nti hwe so mo bo 9.7.2 ni so a
emo eno anu no minia lawyer yemfa one caller emfam na nyame ya adom a yabu yeketim me pa cho me ma wachi ema wakwaba eba dwumadi so.
Yeah, hello Bishop Share lawyer. I think also me mute me Facebook and I distracted me.
Me pa cho me to Facebook no mai why
enti na me busa me na mere Abercrombie, my wife do call 3 years, means me call 2 years. Me I legally a few near day. Aba no Kenya COS awareness new Chromia. Enyamia no say by Accra abe na onum UK aware more pressure ni more asset na.
I know.
Also Jawari, but you rental for almost 2 years. Still no same year responsible and same baby cost. Josie Ojawari. And Ojawari means to me they in the first 3 years need bill by coming next year June. No may renew another 2 years, which I know say definitely don't familiar thing. And to Subi. And Tinami Busa say for now na no bana Kransbinya 1 year. October year bay. So renew now for man to for another 2 years and never me here 3 years and say indefinite. What will be my state? Meet me use me bano, even though so many indefinite no. Meet me use me bano at the anya stay at the a year juma or Crimea. And I say what will be my status after some of man to the next innovation is no.
Menua unim. Eya nsem sei no. My advice fa lawyer number book appointment. Ko hunu lawyer na montena ase. Kai hunu say asem a wo kan wo ne wo yere ntem asem. Nya meka no te ase. Wunim onia utie. Eninti ko hunu lawyer office na montena ase. Okwa wa bye wasem. Sebi se lawyer kura wo information o de be ma wa. Wontimi mfa nyina ma wa ha.
Correct.
Ai misrew. Enti men kase my lawyer yiwa no. Mema na yiwa no but me little advice as a bishop. And I make catch her say. Asem say no. Meji answer wo radio so. Take the address, take the number, call, book an appointment. Now only lawyer nkotena ase. Why?
What a bishop
because asemu bia ewa no yi. Sani etie bia. In every trouble there is a solution. Nti meji nyame adi ama wo say lawyer bi nya no yi ama ba enye radio so. Koko hunu no office. You better say
what bishop
ubetuya 50-60 pounds. Now the akwaji consultation when your solution than say yebekasa wunya hwe enso wuti ho na niema gusu ko akiri. Why? Lawyer me pa cho yenhwe so betimi aboa no hakakra.
Yo, bro, Patrick is saying.
Lawyer.
Yo, on say senior bishop Echremuno. Even though you need answer here and now, answer na the mama textbook response or the legal response. But once you know your legal response now we hear from your working. Yes, sir.
That's it.
Okay.
As I said, me 1-to-1 tuition, so that I can tailor the response to your specific need. Uka classroom I find differentiation. Why? So I have to differentiate today's response. It is over to me after later. Why?
Mate.
So that spend time na kwaji information na wo honto. Why? Nyame nshirawo.
Mate bishop, mate me that.
Yeah. Nyame nshirawo.
All right. Bye.
Because oba ye do betina se bebi sa wonsem na we eba ne say mokoye we say mokofa we free. Sansem no nyina ntimi biza wa ha because our resem dey go far. Entina yetimi a kiro say okay, ekwan we wo ho, ekwan we wo ho, ekwan we wo ho, ekwan we wo ho. Afetwusu ni awpe. Utwusu a na yahwe ne ya kekere ne de aso na wokọ wani. Why? Nyame nshirawo. Yo, atiofo, your friend Bishop Stanley Osebri Osei. Akwa bi di message bre me wo adi so. Lawyer, ose opa uche ose moma mi certificate na say law no ase ma bin me yashi. Ose send me physical cancel.
Bishop, ye kan de bia say fa wudin bra. Let's say wa pass it. Also wo train. Oso ya na obedi. Oso obedi no sorry, em be say obedi no court. Nti ye train cause wa pass it.
Mate. Me feel happy me the beba. Mame answer minia okay wantimi engina so. Lawyer ye hwe ye mre na 43 minutes past 10. Ye di akọ nanim papa. Enu nti ye mo asemu ni nyina tofa. Okay, nipa na san ba. Me fa ni ntwato. Me pa cho me ma wachi ema wakọ aba eba dwumadi eso.
Ejusu bishop say
Ohini nyame ehira mpapa. Wo na ye di utwato anopa yi.
O we de me da se nyame hira. The bishop, me pass over me we ma wansana. We be over we year pese ka o ma me address no. For the meantime na bia me kan me question why pass over.
Me pacho wo de fa wonsem no ma lawyer me tro wo number na me wi a me send address no e de ama wo. Why ade pass wo be ka ya gi. Nyame hira wo.
Yo. Me question is me application e wo me maso. E de 2.5 no. Na me me wife no program di atwa ate no court wa na court no e ma me go ahead say me fan koye mai na me go home office na mo the first one ma me di court no tell me say me to tonia ma na nta ma nkora no na de na me ye di 2019 no me ye na 2019 me ye mo say covid de when de ma me anfa ba na 2020 so me the call on so kwa me call to da lecture nyama no call ho Nanka me the social funds so much or much am. The court I'm saying son of council. And I'm a Sunday call council for so you process up to now. My 3 year month, but I send us court. Every time I may be renewing in Yamano, and I'm in the home office. And I'm going to say, Omunia and Yama be film Krana, you know. This is the back at the say, Omo doctor, and I say spoon on your name. I didn't see me be caught in the man. You don't see me court and call it my court to Akoji C2 sponsor not after the court. Medical, no more catch him say, Omoshe, actually, I'm not taking myself. The matching one, I'm catching so, Omunia called date. And I'm the call date in Momo and April. I'm saying April. I'm the call. But to now, my Eunice was him first 2.5 on a last month. I'm a next 2.5 on a she has to get 6 years in a camera. But still now, I'm from my maybe I used to come on April or Monka. Now, let me see me, son of Bisa. Me were 20 years, evidence is so. Say, no, so meeting me the eye. But my can acquire we now 5 years in 6 years and me say, so me for 20 years and so on. That's not for Shastia and after in the 2 years. Well, we are making Prano. Can't say for a deal of Yama Tenamame. This is a minister application from between. I don't know. None to say Bishop, a Muchimaka Kramama Jack.
Lawyer, Odaroma, you find
Right. It's a bit of a challenge. It's unfortunate. And see, child arrangement order no yet.
That be a young farmer.
Muguso, okay. And now, okay.
Now, 3 days ago, na Cascata, no?
But
3 days ago, na Cascata, and a friend say, or Concran, Hono, say, or Moon Person be home.
Oh,
you know, near Omacan until it's on suicide decision at court. Now, Mr. Mitchell James said, Mamma, yes, sir. Because you can't send the first one, you come and I say, Juma, about charter regiment, judging the man. And I'll share me this next week, next month, you have a final decision. You final decision, you're going to
hold on, mommy. Mempa say when some baba out bebre. What is here?
Yeah.
Let's hold it. Now, what the neighbor would have been 2.5 no? Ebe would have been.
Who am I? Media cop. I'm on 2.5 an hour. Muslim. I'm on 6 years in a comedy. I would have died. And you man, I'm here. And I'm going to die. What's it?
Decision about an MI.
This is medical or non found decision in my. You can't say when you call date. Call date in the Momo April.
Don't worry. Why? Maybe just 1 or 2 things into maybe sir in some no. I just want to say yes.
Lawyer me pacho mami ngura mu ha kakra. Me say minu yasimu a all kano. Ehun behia so beba office. Ehun behia so beba office because minu say lawyer me hwe wanimu a na me hwe wo hwene a metimu say nsem wo hanka unya wo bebusa no. But aha no ayama nsendwa so. Ubisa na nyeyi. Minu ya no so onya nsem anka obeka. Enso amansadwa so de obi atimi to ne ope. Nti wo kan anhwa na akoto obi bag mu. Enti minu ya mesrew bra be hunu lawyer. Why?
Okay.
Nsem nu yentimi hwe nyina ngu ha bra be hunu lawyer.
Okay.
Obenya no yama. Why?
Okay.
Nyame nshira mafa o number no endi 769. O number no endi 769. Enti me pompe me frew na maji wudin na ma save na ma send flyer na ma address ni nyina bibia wo flyer no so. Why?
Okay.
Nyame
mpese mi hu nti me ba ye na me ni ho di akira. Why na ji papa bi bet me chiro mu sisi ya de bet later me yi ho di akira.
Mate.
If I may even hold you, I was a minute, I must see why.
Mate on the FV Bishia, me fro, me pon me fro. Bye. Lawyer, nkrofo amu jiji mi yesa me pon a na omo be testi me bishop position no ahwe. E no waka so bishop no de woni amotre kro ka so wapon. Me pa che wo ye me last caller why? Mo obi am free bi. Me ma wachi e mo wakwa ba e ba djumadi so.
Kriasa tungenka obia.
Amen.
Yeah. Pacho, program now lawyer a very effective program. the application be my minion about tourist visa some few months ago. So unfortunately, all my rejecting application, So now I was worried. Almost see some numbers be the kotu, which is not lawyer mentioned them, but me was like almost you sue a decision. Almost say I have refused your application for this visa because I am not satisfied that you meet the requirement paragraph B4.2 of appendix B immigration rules. So none see word now because almost no catcher is the kind or the bar or the summit here on first source of the money, because someone here convinced of how much was earning. So a whole I don't understand lawyer bit me cheating yeah.
Lawyer Adaruma.
Yo, director, Ed saying,
Actually,
yo, nipa no oye ejuma anasa oye ono an ejuma. Oye obi di anasa oye ono an ejuma.
Oye obi ejuma.
Ena sika na one account mu no efi ne salary pe anasa from different other places.
From other places be the count home. You add this all together.
That's fine. It's a one no almost say omunya sure baby as sika no fi. And because omunya sure into almost to say sika na ba just to apply for the visa. To almost to say okwa agbochira back. That's why. So V4 is about not returning. It has nothing to do with fake document. Why?
Okay. Because the headline obviously future UK visa application you make will be considered for their individual merit.
Yes.
While you are likely to let the circumstance of your application change in relation to decision. There is no right of appeal or right of administrative review.
Nti nyamo kan nyina ne say and that dey refuse to. But we betumi aya another application because application obeye bia no sa application ye hwe na ye make a decision. Nti ye refuse to in ye na interest e kire so ye be refuse to. Application is decided on its own merit based on the evidence you have. Nti more or less we betumi aya no foforo say nyoma asesa. Why?
So no bound or committee anything, but it's still good to go. Yeah.
No ban. Refusal.
All right. Thank you so much. God bless.
Amen.
You so yeda wasi na say Mr. Adaye edi address no ebeto amame ha na memfama atiefo afi na yensum emfiri ho na mebo amanfo enkaye se emra yedi adwuma yi eba wiye ka huni se eye BWF Solicitors ena edi dwumadie yi ebrewo legal education hour oma be kire nioma ende papa na ohwehwe ya ye wo 4th floor ana house 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, 7 Sisters, landing N15 4NP. Na office number ubetumi afre edi buku appointment abehuye 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. Emergency number 077 127 61884. Emergency number 077 127 61884. And the lawyer Charles edi additional ebreyen wabechire yade papa na ofre lawyer Charles na one no adi nkomo odi wasem akusi no so a 079 47 636037 enti 079 47 636037 na wabo awura lawyer Charles so kai national so say ene obekire yade how to avoid 10 years UK immigration ban enunti ena nde dwumadie no yedi besi yenje lawyer enum asema etwato na owia na odifo Mackerel. Lawyer, Wadaroma.
Yo, Bishop. Bishop.
Men am
And
confuse you. Men am confuse you.
Let me just ask the title. But title where the answers are. Just Yo, viewers and listeners, let's sum up in English for the benefit of those who are not able to follow us through the program due to the language barrier. So today we looked at how to avoid 10 years UK immigration ban. And this is because within the rules, you can be banned for using false representation or information or using fake document. The question is whether you did so intentionally. If you didn't do it intentionally, you will be refused under paragraph 9.7.1 of part 9 of the immigration rules. If you did so intentionally, then we say that you did that to deceive, to be able to get a visa. And so your refusal will fall under paragraph 9.7.2 of part 9 of the immigration rules. This is compulsory or mandatory. And so once you are refused under deception, future applications may be refused. And that is where you have to be careful because the ban will be for 10 years. Until the 10-year period is exhausted, any application you submit will be refused. It's important that you check the document you are adding to your application. You check the content or the information on the application form before it is submitted. The law says that whether you knew about it or you didn't know about it, it's not an excuse. The most important thing is they will tell you that you have done so to deceive in order to get a visa. You have to show them that you didn't do that intentionally. And if you're able to prove that it wasn't intentional, they will make a decision to change it from compulsory refusal to discretionary refusal so that the ban may be removed. Therefore, when you are making an application, either visit application, student application, skilled worker application, spousal application, or any application for that matter, out of country or in country, it is important that because this is your application, you take care to go through it because if not, the consequence may be dire for you. Even if you have entered the UK or you have been granted a visa already, and it is later found out that there was intention to deceive based on the information and the document provided, the visa which has been already issued will be cancelled and a ban may be placed on you. So let's be careful and ensure that we do not fall into the gap. So please mind the gap and avoid 10-year ban. This is what we brought you today. We'll come your way tomorrow as well for more interesting conversations. Bishop.
Emo, yeda lawyer asi sania ene odi adwumani nyina aba awiye amaye. Nya ye kan se onyame enhyira no. Ne no moma ye kwan me mfa munsi ha. Odifo me be ye yenti mani abre bishop me prepared ndindindindin. Enti me nkoboaboa me ho ano. Adofo a mo bani nyina so ye hwemani. Nyame nhyiram lawyer onyame enka ho onyame nye okese. Ne chia Mr. Adaye ne nadwuma waye ne kama no pai. Nyame ya adoma me pon a ye bekasa. Bye-bye.
This is our world.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.